iCADMac 2019. What's new? iCADMac is the first 2D, 3D, DWG and XF CAD solution for Mac operating system that allows to open, draw and save files in the AutoCAD 2020 native format. The new 2019 version offers 2020 DWG support of Mac operating systems from Sierra to Mojave. The user interface design has been optimized to make the software easier to use, enhanced menus to offer more efficient work, saving many mouse clicks through more complete and functional contextual menus. Perpetual license, no mandatory annual fee. New commands and features. Multi-leader commands provide the advanced leaders creation and editing. Multi-leader creates more leaders, each of which may have one or more segments, so that one and the same node can refer to more objects in a drawing. Multi-leaders are based on multi-leader style, which allows you to format landing lines, leader lines, arrowheads, and content according to your requirements. Edit multi-leader lets you add and remove leader lines. Helix creates 2D spirals and 3D helices. Plot styles visualization on layout to preview the printing result of a plot style table in a layout. Real-time hatch preview. Hovering the mouse over the area enables an instant preview. New line types definitions, for instance slope. Copy and paste to the active layer. The copy command copies selected entities into the clipboard. The paste command allows you to copy content from the clipboard to the active layer instead of the source layer. Extended 3D solid editing using entity grips and the properties palette. More entity grips are provided to modify 3D solid objects. The Properties palette provides more parameters to manipulate 3D solid objects. Advanced block commands contain more tools for blocks and block attributes. Redefine base point sets new base points for blocks. Block Attribute Manager controls properties and settings of block attributes in block definitions. Batman. You can download a free 30-day fully functional trial version of iCADMac and also take advantage of free technical assistance during the whole evaluation period.